So this is one of the projects that we will cover on the Patriot Zero channel, because we're going to turn this thing into the ultimate rolling bug out vehicle and control box, where I can keep all the electronics and everything that I'm worried about EMP inside. And on top of that, it's a 1986, so there's nothing electronic about it. The military, they bought stuff that was built really rugged, and this thing will basically go anywhere. It's got a 460 carbureted motor in it, and it's got so much torque I could literally pull a house off its foundation if I had to. I mean, that's an exaggeration, I'm sure, but it's got a lot of torque, and it's probably not the world's best on gas, but it's okay because it'll serve its purpose and be an excellent mobile base. The tires are the stock tires with the dually wheels. You could use them in the front or the back. It's got one spotlight on the driver's side is missing. This spotlight here is still here. It's a fiberglass cap on the top of it. And then it goes into the aluminum box. And the aluminum box has, it's all sealed. It's got a heavy-duty aluminum frame inside. I've seen the videos of ambulances where they knock them from the side and roll them down a hill, and everything is perfectly fine. In fact, the box actually survives. So that's one of the reasons it sold me on this. From the outside, it just looks like a work truck or a delivery van. But on the inside, it's got the full ambulance control panel. And it is military, because you can see that the doors go all the way to the edge and open wide. It's got two windows in the back that I'm going to cover with aluminum mesh screen. And same with the pass-through in the cab, which will make this a complete Faraday cage. So everything that I need will be absolutely sealed. So there's the two windows. There's a spotlight up on top. It has a step bumper. And yes, leftover evidence that it was an ambulance at one time. And actually, if you open the doors on the inside edge, there is a orange stripe where it used to have an orange stripe. Apparently this was a U.S. Navy ambulance. It never really went in combat. It was either at a port or at the air base. So it's got very low mileage, and so this is going to be one of the projects for the next year that we will cover on